produced with high quality as well as stamina as a leading concern. Campos after that produced the Supersonic, a tool-sized folding bike with a 20 inches structure. The Euromini Campo 28 pounds lightweight aluminium bike is equipped with an aluminium alloy framework, in addition to lightweight aluminium alloy double wall surface edges. This bike has the potential to be taken on hill paths and functions well on tarmac. Euromini Campo 28 pounds lightweight aluminium frame Shimano 7-speed folding bike 20. The bike consists of a 7-speed Shimano equipment system which is a staple for each camp alloy bike. To make it easier for domestic usage, the business has actually added a rear cargo shelf and fenders. So, you could utilize this bike for routine domestic jobs too. Because of the disc brakes, the Euromini Campo 28 pounds lightweight aluminium bike can do its job efficiently, even under poor air. For added benefit,
click the link below to read the full review now.